Hi, my name is Lydia Vega and this is my Digital Citizenship Curriculum Gallery Walk. The title is a cyberbullying. The lesson that I picked is titled is a cyberbullying. I picked this lesson because I think it's vital for teachers to address in the classroom. Cyberbullying is happening now and teachers need to be aware of it. This lesson covered the topic for cyberbullying. It helps the student learn what is, and what isn't cyberbullying, and give them the tools they'll need to combat the problem. A brief description for this lesson is that this lesson is intended for a fifth grade level. Students will be able to recognize similarities and differences between in-person bullying, cyberbullying, and being mean. It emphasizes with the targets of cyberbullying. The students will be able to identify strategies for dealing with cyberbullying and ways they can be an upstander for those being bullied. This lesson has 4 parts. First, it is the warm-up. It's a cyberbullying. As an optional activity before the lessons, have students play the Evolve game in Digital Passport by Common Sense Education. This will help introduce key concepts of this lesson. Second, we have the expand section. Who's involved? Bullying or cyberbullying situations always include a target, the person being bullied and a bully, the person doing the bullying. Then we have analyze Sandra's story. You have to distribute the Sunday Story student handout and invite students to read the scenario out loud. Ask, is this an example of cyberbullying? Why and why not? Take turns sharing your ideas with a partner. And lastly, we have the wrap-up, upstanders cards. Distribute blank card index cards and markers or colored pencils to students. Say, we've talked a lot about bullying and ways to respond to it. To wrap up, you're going to create upstander card.